cool. We get to stay here and our view is so cool. Looking out at the ocean and the little basilica. And the town, really. We just got our key from the lockbox and it looks like that.
Steampunk gears.
Aw, they're so cute. They even have our names on there. Aw, they have our names on there. Alright.
This is nice. I like
It's warm. So we just got to our little loft.
We did.
And here's a little room tour. They're really nice. They even have our names on there. And here's the TV. And over here's the kitchen. There's a little dishwasher with a nice big sink with the faucet that looks kind of cool. Oh, there's some teas. Lemon and ginger, wild berry, ginger and apple, salt and pepper and sugar and olive oil. Oh, the basics. Cool.
Do they have coffee? Well, it doesn't matter.
Oh, little Whitaker's mini. Oh, and they do have these coffee pots. And dishes and a microwave. And a mini fridge with, apple cider. And milk. Oh yeah, silverware. Not silverware, but like kitchen utensils. Does this open? Not sure. There we have the silverware there. Wraps and measuring cups and can openers. And pots and pans. And little gas stove with a little cute oven. Oh, they thought of everything. And baking stuff. They even have a milk frother. Anyway, that's the wall, the light. That's the heat pump, stove. Oh, those pictures.
Their steampunk pictures are awesome.
And look at that little hat there with those glasses under the stairs. And over here is the laundry room. There's a dryer and a washer, little vacuum.
Go get our stuff.
Oh, you gotta check out the bathroom, right? That's the shower. The toilet with the little flush. Towels. Oh, shampoo and hand wash and stuff. Cute large sink, enough to bathe the body. Cool. Oh, so you get in the shower from here, and there's the bath mat right here. Little couch. Stairs. Up to the bed, which is a little carpeted area. And here's the bed. And you kind of get to see a skylight. So maybe you can look at stars tonight. It's the little details. There's even a sheet book. Cool little chair and trunk. Lights. Windows. Notice they have little things on the kitchen counter island, like little
Those things?
knobs. Yeah.
There's a bunch of fun little details in here.
Like the nails here.
Nails, the wood, all this little stuff. You got these lights old-timey little, I forget
And
what those are
fun
called.
looking
Like, yeah, little I think like the original Thomas Edison old lights. But then go up these stairs up to the loft.
It's like metal on here.
Yep. So here's our little balcony. Looking down there at our junk.
So we need to like really hide it.
Here's our lovely little bed with a music stand. That's kind of fun.
And like
And a skylight. So, little bed with little lamps. Little picture of a ship. And so here's our loft.
What do you think?
I really like just the whole aesthetic of it.
You do.
It's got a really, really cozy, comfortable atmosphere, even though it's like steampunk and all like metal. It's like nice and warm and cozy.
And the drapes even look like thick corduroy type drapes, so velvety
Yeah,
drapes.
all Victorian. This is fun.